Sequoia India asks court to disregard lawsuit with the aid of its former recommend. Filing New Delhi. Sequoia Capital India has requested a neighbourhood court docket to brush aside a defamation lawsuit filed by way of one in every of its former widespread counsels, pronouncing it was and try to diminish its loose speech rights and harm its interests, the Mission Capital Corporation's courtroom filing suggests. Sequoia has been locked in a legal war with Sandeep Kapoor, after he included the corporation in a defamation lawsuit against media businesses that suggested on a leaked Sequoia email of June 2. Kapoor was Sequoia's in-house standard suggest for almost 9 years till 2019. The lawsuit is the state-of-the-art in a sequence of troubles for Sequoia that have the organization grappling with proceedings from startups approximately damaged except as true with following high-profile governance scandals at some of its portfolio organizations in India and Southeast Asia. Kapoor's company, Algo Legal, has stated in a press declaration and its lawsuit that Sequoia sent an email to its portfolio businesses this month making baseless references to, regarding details, approximately the law company that harm its commercial enterprise and recognition. Sequoia denied the allegations in a 19-page court submitting in India's tech hub of Bengaluru on June 18, calling the lawsuit frivolous and vexatious, and saying it turned into duty sure to inform its portfolio groups whilst it detected sure irregularities. An impartial probe at Sequoia capital-backed fashion startup in Singapore, Zalingo, determined certain bills made to Algo and its associated entities were no longer in consonance with the engagement phrases contracts, forcing Sequoia to caution its portfolio groups from dealing with the regulation organization, the court submitting states. Sequoia's filing, which has been seen through, has no longer been made public. A spokesperson for Algo and Kapoor said on Sunday they instructed the court on Saturday the investigation into Zalingo's affairs is ongoing and there was no final locating, and that Sequoia's allegations inside the filing have been without merit. Detailing the Zalingo probe's findings for the first time, Sequoia stated it located the style startup paid Algo and its related entities greater than $6 million between 2020 and 2022. In such situations, Sequoia stated, its right to freedom of speech prevails over the plaintiff's right of reputation because the statement became issued with none malice and with none purpose to defame. Sequoia was Algo's top customer in billings, but the U.S. undertaking capital firm ended its engagement with Algo in January. Sequoia on Sunday declined to comment on its courtroom submitting. The Bengaluru court docket will subsequent hear the problem on June 29. Zalingo in April suspended its 30-year-old CEO and co-founder Ankiti Bose, a former Sequoia analyst, over suspected economic irregularities. Bose turned into later brushed off in what she has said was a wrongful termination. Zalingo and Bose did now not without delay respond to a request for comment on Sunday. Bose's elimination, Zalingo has previously stated, accompanied an unbiased research into court cases approximately what the startup defined as critical economic irregularities.